How to connect n8n with Shopify. So in order to do that, first head over to your n8n workflow and you should be able to see this. So from there, just proceed to click on the plus icon from the actual workflow. Click onto the search and search right here for Shopify. Once you have done that, you can see Shopify right here, so proceed to click on this. Just choose right here the action that you want. So on my case, I'll head over and choose right here this get many products. After that, you can see this credential. So click on this create new credential, and you can see this option. You can add right here your shop subdomain, your access token, as well as your app secret key. So if you want to know how it's actually made, you can also just choose different options like you can connect using access token, which requires all of this. You can connect using OAuth, which is this URL right here. You can just input your client ID and your client secret, subdomain, and the likes. You can also choose API key directly from your Shopify and just fill up these details. Once you're done with those, you can head over and just connect it directly on your n8n. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.